Hello guys, in this video, it's not a tutorial one, it's not something like it's related to how to do things. In this video, how to spot these fake visa accelerator agent or just agents that they are faking that they can get your visa fast. Two ways I always detect that it is bullshit and it is not in the right term. So the thing is, which is the first that it is mentions as 100% visa eligibility, which is not really realistic, not logic at all, because visa process can be take time, can have some criteria, can the agents and that things need to be processed for verification. First thing, that faking that it is 100% visa eligibility. Second step, which is the most important one, I guess, as the same the first one, which is that it is not understanding how you can get it, what is the process, and what is the main thing that they are doing with your data and so on to get your visa. I mean, like, if you are like a well-educated self and well-educated man, and he can understand, or she can understand what things are. If you can understand what the process is, please, guys, just run away from this agent. Is 100% a scam. It is like getting your money off. I hope you like the thing, so the storytelling. I already passed through this. So, guys, like, share, and subscribe.